The best part about being a software engineer is that things are always changing. Nothing ever stands still. I'm William Walker. I'm a software engineer here at the BBC on the Voice and AI team, and I'm one of the developers responsible for creating Beeb. I've always been interested in seeing how things work, and when I was younger, I spent a lot of time out on the bike and just seeing model engines and things like that. Cycling and software, they both require a lot of upkeep, a lot of maintenance. It can be difficult, but it can be worth it to really put the time in. Beeb is a voice assistant from the BBC, and it allows people to interact with us verbally rather than through a more traditional method such as a mouse or touchscreen. The voice assistant field is very different from typical projects that we might have worked on in the past. Azure has been really good for us. In the early stages, it was really fun just to have free rein, if you like, to just experiment with the different Azure technologies and just learn and just see how things work. It provides all the tools that we need in one place to create a branded voice assistant and making the unique experiences that we want to. Being a software engineer, you're just one person in a much larger team. So you work with a wide range of people, with a wide range of skill sets to solve a wide range of problems. We've built Beeb because we know there's growing demand from people to access content and their services using their voice. We want to have greater control over our brands and create a more robust connection with our audience. So our ambitions with Beeb can't be met by just developing for existing voice assistants on the market. With this one, we saw some challenges around how we create the wake words and how we collect the data to enable that to happen. The UK has a wide range of accents. And so creating Beeb, it's important to us that it can be used by everyone. And that means that we have spent a lot of time developing the wake word to make sure that it can be understood by as wide a range of accents as possible. Our assistant uses Azure Bot Services, which is where it's all set up and configured. We use a number of cognitive services, such as Lewis for language understanding. We use the custom Euro voice and the custom keyword, which is OKBeeb. And we have QnA Maker for simpler question and answer interactions. The Beeb client app is a UWP app that runs on Windows. It uses the Azure Bot Services Direct Line Speech Channel, which is a WebSocket connection specifically designed for voice interaction to connect to our assistant. And that's configured with our custom text-to-speech, our custom ASR model, the custom voice. Within our assistant, we rely on a number of internal BBC services to retrieve content. We also have our own analytics platform. So if a user was to say, "Okay, Beeb, play Radio 1,"
here's BBC Radio 1.
We're only just getting started with Beeb, and so we're just laying the foundations for our next phase of work, and we're really ambitious in terms of platform and feature support. It's a really exciting time to be part of the department.